DuckDuckGo has launched private AI chats, thereby allowing you to anonymously access AI models like GPT 3.5 Turbo and Claude 3 Haiku. It won't store your chats, nor can the companies behind each AI model use them for training, saving you from jumping through a settings menu just to opt out. To keep your chats anonymous, DuckDuckGo calls the chats models on your behalf, replacing your IP address with its own. This way, it looks like the requests are coming from us and not you, DuckDuckGo says. However, DuckDuckGo notes that the AI providers may store chats temporarily, but they can't trace them back to you. As noted in DuckDuckGo's privacy policy page, it removes all metadata containing your personal information, including your IP address, before sending your query. Furthermore, the company also has agreements with the AI providers to delete your safe chats within 30 days and to prevent them from being used to train their models. Similar to DuckDuckGo's browser, you can use the fire button to clear your chat as well. It's worth pointing out that the feature is free to use within a day limit, but DuckDuckGo said it may eventually launch a paid plan with higher limits and access to more advanced models. The company also plans on adding more chat models, including ones hosted by DuckDuckGo or users. Now, having given DuckDuckGo's private AI chats a try, I must say that they are a great addition, and I'm pretty sure that many of you are going to love this new feature. So give it a go and let me know your thoughts about it via the comments, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.